Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today I thought I'll give you my verdict on the Elgato Stream Deck. That little baby up there, or this one down here. I've had it over a month now and I thought it was about time I told you whether I liked it or not. And before I tell you the answer to that, I just want to point out a couple of things that you might find interesting or you might not have known about. For instance, you don't have to use it just for live streaming. It does other things as well, like the XEs. So if you want to open up your Steam account, I've set this up so if I want to open my Steam account I can just press that one, or my Origin, it's that one, or if I want to go to my Twitter, there, YouTube, so if I load up my YouTube, press that and then she will load up instantly, and that is my home page, as you can see. If I want to go into my DaVinci Resolve, for instance, which is the software that I use for my video editing, I've set that up, so I'll press that. It does take a little bit of time to load up because DaVinci Resolve has to use a lot more resources than a standard thing like Steam or even OBS. So if I want to load up OBS, I've set it up so it's in a multi-page, so it's in a folder. So that's a folder, believe it or not. So if I press that, I have a folder. So the one on the right, it shows you my setup. So I've got what, 4, 5, 6, 7 different setups at the moment, and it's still work in progress because I've only had it a month and not had time to play about with it as much as what I like to, but very pleased with it at the moment. And if I want to start my OBS up, I've got this Streamlabs OBS version, so I'm a part Streamlabs, so I press this one, which is the XE button again, which you can actually write on. So I wrote on there OBS XE, so I just press that, gives it a couple of seconds and it should all load up. It's actually loaded up, it's gone beyond the screen. So there it is, minimise. I'll do it again just to prove that I wasn't making it up. So I'm going to shut that back down again. Oh, who's that? Oh, it's me. So yeah, I'll just show you again because obviously you didn't see it load up. So like I said, that's the OBS Streamlabs or Streamlabs OBS version. So click on that and it should just load up. There she goes. Give it a couple of seconds for the program to load, and there you go. So that's me there, and it's got that bright thing on there because obviously stream ending soon. So if I go into here, I can click on say Creative Destruction and change that to scene starting soon, like so, or even change it to be right back, you know, loads of other stuff as well. It's got loads of options. Even if you go, where is it? I think it's down here, so, or is it there? I've got a spinner that I've set up, or have I? You've got a mute button, that's another feature I've done, so you can mute it at any time. You can turn the video on and off, like so. That video's not on because obviously I'm using the camera that would have been showing now. So that's very good. So like, you know, turn the video off. If I don't, you know, you to see me in there like I've gone to the loo or something silly like that, I can just press that button. I'll set this up for be right back, and I'll put a bit of a video on there for someone to watch, keep them entertained. So that's how that works. So you don't have to use it just for live streaming. You can actually use it as a shortcut for your XEs. Oh, here's a good one, DaVinci Resolve. Oh, shut him down, getting in my way. So for instance, my DaVinci Resolve, if I go into there, there's the actual XE, and then I've set up a pair of scissors for cutting as a shortcut, copy and paste, and a button for undo. So if I make a mistake, just press that button and it winds back by one, and you can keep doing that. What's that one? Oh, and the blade, and the blade is the same as the scissors. Well, actually no, cut, you actually cut it off, the blade just cuts it. So yeah, it's not quite the same. So yeah, that's pretty good. So I'm really pleased with it, and the fact is, there's so many uses that you can use it for. So when I first got it, I thought, yeah, I'm going to use it for doing my live streams, making little shortcuts. So if I'm in game, I don't have to alt tab out and click on the program to change over to stream ending soon, stream starting, or anything like that. I can just press one of these buttons. It makes it really easy. Same as I want to call up my YouTube or anything like that. And you can make hundreds of folders. And I do believe they've changed the software, or they're going to change the software, so that it can be infinity amount. As far as I'm aware, I think it's up to 250, but I do believe, I did hear someone say they were going to make it infinite amounts. So you can do infinite amount of folders within folders and in folders, which would be really, really handy. I think 250 is going to be a humongous amount anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Oh, in the middle one, you can actually change. You can change any of the buttons as you want. So you could take the middle one and change it to something else. But I've left it there because it's quite handy. So if you want to go to the Elgato website, you just press that and it will load it up for you. So that's their main page, which is quite nice. It costs around £139, around that sort of thing, figure, £140. And I'll stick some links in the description below in case you decide you want to buy one. So that's basically it. So what do I think of it? Do I think it's worth the money? If you're doing live streaming, or you're doing video editing and you want some easy ways of doing a shortcut, or anything else, or you just like a really good gadget like this, I think it's an excellent piece of equipment, and I've definitely given it my thumbs up. I really do like it. Like I say, I've only had it just over a month now. We are in January, and yes, definitely worth every penny. I'm glad my wife bought it for me for Christmas. Very pleased with it, and I can't say enough about it. It's excellent. Someone said they thought it could do. You get a bit of a glare, but I've had no problem with glare whatsoever. It's easy to adjust the stand. You can take it off the stand if you like so. It's very easy to use. There's plenty of videos out there on YouTube for you to learn anything you're not sure about, and also Elgato make quite a few videos for you to study and get the basics idea, and it is quite easy to understand. And there's quite a lot of options within the software, like for OBS, Streamlabs OBS, XSplit if you want to use XSplit, your computer system settings, you can go into there and do little bits on there which are quite useful. It does virtually everything you want it to do. So yeah, so I'll shut up now, shall I? Definitely gets my thumbs up, worth every penny, and I would definitely recommend it, and I will stick some links in there for you. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you click on that bell, because it will notify you when I upload or go live stream when my next video comes out. So thank you very much for watching.